Hey everybody, it's Adrian from Zadza's Toys with our first 3D printed 1/18 scale vehicle. It's not much of a vehicle, but it's still a way to get around. It's one of these single-wheeled electric skateboard type things. I've had several friends of mine get into these and try to get me into them, but I'm more of a bike, bus, walking kind of guy, so not really my thing. But I still thought it'd be a really straightforward and fun thing to make, and so here it is. I find it's actually really fun to play with as well, just even without an action figure, just using your fingers. So let's look at how it goes together. Okay, so I've printed out the base in a nice silver, and the wheel in black, and this goes together pretty easily. I just need some clippers, a little piece of filament, and some super glue. So first thing you're going to want to do is get your filament and get it straight-ish. So I just kind of like work it a little bit. If you're careful with it and your filament isn't too old, it's not too hard to just bend it straight. Okay, so I have a little piece of straight filament, which is great. And now I'm just gonna stick it through one side, put the wheel in, work it through the wheel and out the other side, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to clip off most of the filament here, so we've still got a little bit of excess on either side. And then I'm just going to take super glue and just put a tiny little drop right there and there. Actually a little too much. One of the things that's really great about super glue is you can kind of rely on capillary action, and it'll just soak down into that joint. So I'm going to kind of spin the wheel a little bit as it sets up, just to make sure it doesn't get stuck. And give it a little bit. And then once it's all set up, just take your snippers and cut it flush. And there you go. One electric skateboard ready to go. As always, thanks for watching. I'll have a link down below to the files if you want to make one of these for yourself. And if you want to see more content like this, please do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really helps out a lot, and it's much appreciated. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.